Hello. Love the UK. Hi. Hey, Arthur. I'm good. How are you? Wow, I'm getting a lot of calls right now. Levi. You did. Why is everyone putting their birthday as their username? What is happening? Is this like a new thing? New trend? Happy Friday. I do have bubblegum, but it's not here. My longest burp. Maybe like 10 seconds, 9 seconds. Hey. Thank you for the TikTok gift. Hey, Arthur. See, Arthur changed his name to his birthday, and somebody else called me and they had their birthday in their name. I do have bubblegum. Hello, hello. Soda ice. Oh, I thought you were talking soda, ice cream flavored soda. I was like, what? That sounds dope. Thank you. I don't know. Ice cream burps sound tasty. Yeah, we're gonna do some burps. We're gonna do some burps just for a little bit. I might come back later tonight, but I definitely had to. I'm Goku from YouTube. Oh. Everyone's uploading it. I'm not gonna upload it. It's out there. I might upload like clips or something. Look, it's out there. I'm not uploading it. You know why? Because I like going to that BGT page and it says like 2.6 million views. Oh, yes, sneeze fan. I do blow bubbles with bubblegum, yes. I am the BGT woman. There are only clips. The whole thing is on YouTube. The whole thing's on YouTube. Whole thing. Oh, hey. Oh, you love my hiccups. Yay. You want me to win? Oh. No, that's not me. I wasn't on Britain's Got Talent. Thank you guys for coming in and saying hi. Thank you for all the support. Thank you. People saying I'll win. I don't think I'm gonna win, guys. Natalie, I need to burp. Levi and Natalie.
Levi.
Oh yeah, I have business in the UK. Hee-hoo. How did you find the UK? It was on the map, brother.
Natalie.
Lila. That's a pretty name. Abel. Oh gosh. Yeah, usually I do pranks. Usually I do pranks and I'm on Cameo, so I make Cameo videos if you guys want. I be a mom. A mom. Is that what you do with bubblegum? Choo choo choo. Advice from scratch. What's up? Oh yes, thank you. Thank you. I don't know your name. I just know you as Blondie. You chew tobacco. Don't do that. Thank you for the roses. Hi. Holy shit. I can't do that. I've tried. Actually, I don't know. Claire. Thank you. Nice to meet you, Claire. Lance. I'm Lance. Lance. Levi. I'm pretty loud whistler, but I'm pretty sure people are way louder. Levi. I can't whistle with fingers. I don't know how to do that. I've tried. Oh yeah, I love the judges. We had fun. That's really stinky. Yeah. I think we're taking that word over. Yeah. Matching my shirt. Woohoo. I know you don't mind, Josh. I don't know what that. I have a lot of burpy friends. There's so many of us. Thank you guys all for coming in and saying hi. Oh, I'll know it when I hear it. It's one of those songs. Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you. You guys want me to prank someone? You guys want to see a prank? Thanks for all the gifts. I love Billy Madison. Okay, would we want to do a live prank? I don't do battles really, but I will answer somebody and I'll do a prank. If you want to screen record, that's fine. I don't really care. Doesn't bother me none. I've been doing it since I was a baby. Thank you. Finally.
Hello.
Hello.
I am fine, thank you. Alhamdulillah.
Oh, I didn't ask.
عندها مستوى ديت ولا
بتقول لك
كحيانه
انا
زينا
مسألتش اصلا.
تقول ايه؟
انت بتقول لها I'm
Are you
fine
talking to
thank
me?
you. بتقول لك
Muhammad?
I didn't ask. يعني انا ما سألتكش انت عامل ايه يعني.
هي قالت لي كده؟ دي بتكرع.
لا
يا دين امي
وماله
انا نازل يا اسطى، ده قرف ده بيبي يا اسطى.
خليك
يا عم
خليك
كمل
خليك
الجولة بس، كمل الجولة
لا
وخلاص.
لا يا عم، ما بحبش اعيش في البيبي ده.
يا عم
خليك
Okay, good
بس خليك
night.
بس.
اسمع.
Anyway. I don't know. I'm like 5'9", 5'8", 5'9", something like that. When was your last sneezing video? It was on here, and I think I also put it on YouTube Shorts. They were boring, yeah. Thank you, Claire. Thank you for agreeing with me. Claire. Ugh, my allergies though are smacking me in the face. That's for sure. Oh, Jabba. DJ Night. Yes, DJ Nice. What's up, DJ Nice?
What are you doing when you heading over to Spain?
Oh yeah.
Up yours.
Cheers, bro. Could you burp the name Josh? Josh. Josh. When did you last sneeze? What size shoe do you wear? Thank you. I guess I sneezed today. Yeah, today. What size shoe do I wear? An 11. And I hate it. So there's that. Thank you for the rose. Hi. Yasmin. Yeah, I can do a better one. Hello, beautiful. Oh my gosh, I have to sneeze right now. Hell yeah! Let's go! Thank you so much. That was awesome. Thank you. We had 3 sneezes. That's usually the number. 1, 2, 3. I am from Virginia. I said it a couple of times already. Hugs and burps. Tracy, everybody loved your comment on my TikTok. It has over like 200 likes. Maybe if you stick around, I don't know. Thank you so much, Little. Thank you for all the roses and for the whale. I haven't seen a whale in like a really long time. That was epic. And you sent me 127 roses. Yay! Thank you all for hopping in. Oh my gosh. Gosh. Little Darky's hitting them gifts today. He's on the gift train. You'll be thinking of me tomorrow? I think the people that... Oh, I was too far away. I think the people that reported me to the UK OFCOM are thinking about me a lot lately. Gosh, you were crushing those roses and these gifts. How old am I? 69. Oh, yeah. Do you think people can sneeze on command? I don't think that's a thing. I was going to request you do for that. Don't fear the Reaper. I love that, Tracy. You know what? I'll let them know. I'll let them know that you said that, and, you know, you never know what we can come up with, okay? You can? Oh my gosh. I don't... How? I've tried to sneeze on command. I can't do it. I'll chew bubblegum maybe like tonight. I'm not in the mood right now, and honestly, the sounds of it just bother me so much. I can't do it for that long. Loudest sneeze record. How was being on BGT? It was like, it was so weird. It was weird. I don't know. It was fun. I had the time of my life. It was fun. It was weird. I say weird because, all right, Tracy, see you again, dude. I say weird because I felt so comfortable up there in the moment and doing it, and that's what was weird about it. And after the fact, though, my anxiety just... It's like, oh my god, I just did that. What the shit? Oh my god. I watched one of your YouTube videos. Yes, everybody please go follow me on YouTube. Kimycola everywhere. Thank you guys so much. Okay, I'm gonna share that for 10 minutes. We're gonna turn that up. Everybody go follow me. I have like a bunch of burp pranks over there. I talk about wrestling a lot. I'm a really big wrestling fan. Thank you so much, Monica. I love your new persona. What do we call it? What are we calling her? I love her. Thank you. Blue Funk Butterfly. Girl, you don't have to do that. Oh my goodness. I feel so loved. Thank you, Josh. Yes, everyone go follow me on YouTube. Kimycola. Follow me on Instagram, YouTube. I'm on Twitter, but I don't really do anything over there. And on here, but when this gets shut down, at least you'll have me over on the YouTubes and the Instagrams. You're making magic happen. Yeah, Monica. It's me, Monica. Yes, I know it's you, honey. No, I love it. I love it. Dang, you just leveled up. Let's go. What's up, Shoe Nice? Thank you for the roses. I appreciate you. I'm gonna share the love next time I see you doing some yoga. Hee-hoo. Is that what we're still doing on the TikTokies? You better start a YouTube page. You having any burping contests? I am scheduling one with... What's her name? I forgot her name. I know you're a DJ. I saw. I love it. Let's go DJ Nice. Yeah, you should post more. You could post your lives like I do. But I don't know. That's up to you. Is that really your name? That is not your name. It's the coolest name. Monica, you didn't have to do that. Oh, thank you. That was so special. Typing one hand. Fucking idiot. What do you think burping? What you burping about, Willis, has gone quiet. Oh, she's gone quiet. I'll check on her. She's a dope person. She's really cool. No, there's another one that I just met. That I just met the other day. I just can't remember. She has blue hair. Or is it a wig? I mean, no offense to that. I don't care either way. It was blue. She was in her car, and that's all I know. And I don't know her. I don't remember her name. If she even told me her name. We just be vibing like that. We don't gotta know each other's names. That's your favorite? My favorite's Gus, because he looks like he's burping. The reason I asked for Izzy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I have a video. I have a couple videos of Izzy and I up on my YouTube channel. Izzy's good. Izzy is good. I've been talking to her lately too, so she's good. I think she's traveling right now. She's doing her thing traveling. She does the tattoos and the piercings too, so she's traveling around California doing that right now. I think it's California. Might be somewhere else. Yeah. Well, there's still room for more, you know what I mean? I got a friend called Izzy. Oh, cool. That would be cute. Some twins, some burping twins. Hey, Justin. Thanks for all the chilies, Monica. Girl's on a roll today. Thank you so much. Happy Friday, everyone. Hi. I have high energy. I do. Drinking a Red Bull. It's that time of the day where I'm just starting to slow down, so I needed something. And I was super bored. I was born in 89. I wasn't nervous or scared. I'm glad you're in a good mood, Monica. You have way too much coffee. Oh, yes. You were born in 95? Oh, okay. I wasn't scared or nervous. I was just nervous about the show airing. Doing the thing that was nothing to me. I was just like, okay. Yes. The Red Bull gives me crazy burps. I wish I had a taller one. This one's kind of sad looking. It's been through some trauma. 6'9". Oh, your birthday's coming up soon. Mine's in August. Yeah, because I feel it coming, and if I were to just let it out, it wouldn't sound as loud or as long. But when I inhale, bam! You saw the video. The palladium was shaking. Thank you guys for all the gifts and the likes and stuff. I think maybe I'll go live again tonight. Later tonight. Have a few drinks. I haven't had a drink since like Saturday. And there's a lot of crazy shit on the internet about me. They keep writing articles about me. People are complaining to the communication regulator whatever in the UK. I don't. Oh my god. I'm loving it. You subscribed, Monica. Thank you so much. Any press is good press. There's so much. Just all you have to do is Google Britain's Got Talent burp singer or whatever. It's crazy. The results are insane. I love it though. It made my day, honestly. I always loved the fact that I got kicked out of a bar for burping too loud. And then I broke my world record and I was like, well, that was awesome. Being on Britain's Got Talent, that was even better. But getting 54 people to complain about me, to write in a formal complaint about me being on TV for burping, made my entire life, bro. Beat that, okay? Beat that, bro. That's amazing. Oh my god. So yeah, I am proud of that, and I am gonna celebrate that tonight, cause fuck it, why not? There you go. That's so true. You literally burped in their faces. You already won. Hey, I did it for the kids. I made the kids laugh. I'm here for the kids. There's not much competition. That's not true. There are some really good burpers out there, and probably some that deserve to be on stage way more than I do, but I had fun doing it, and I'll do it again and again and again and again. They might be busy with the kids. If they are on later, I'll remind her, oh, your twin friends. Will you do more burping in public videos? I will try. I don't like to do those a lot. I like to do them on here, but I really got to be in the mood and the right time and the right place. It's just kind of one of those things for me. I will post one though for sure. Just got to be the right environment for me. Monica, I'm surprised more burp queens haven't popped up on your For You page. I sneezed. I burped. Why am I so cute? I don't know. Why do you like doing them? Just scary? Why do I like burping? Liv Morgan does burps. A lot of people do on WWE burp. Monica, that Kimmy badge looks so good on you, girl. I don't really watch anyone else here either. I say hi to a few people that I've met in the TikTok world. One day I came in, said hi to you, and threw you a bunch of gifts and left. Like, that's my style. I watch Shoe Nice. I make sure people are behaving in there, and I don't really watch. I don't really scroll a lot, to be honest. If I'm scrolling, I'm bored AF. No. Luciano, hi. There's a burp queen called Belching Betty. A lot of people call her Alexa Bliss. I know Belching Betty. I'm friends with her. She's pretty dope. And yeah, she's doing her Alexa Bliss thing right now. She was really good at NPC too when that shit was going on.
Luciano.
I'm barely drinking this. Can you burp my name? Fat Cat? Is that your name? Will Katie ever come back? Katie is back. Hi. Frankie D's. Gimme. I think I had to burp someone's name and I messed up. Let me scroll up. Oh, Justin, Fat Cat. The show was amazing. I crushed it and I passed my audition. The show. I am the show. I know you meant shoe and he's in pain and he's been drinking. Oh, he's DJ Nice now. You should go check it out. I was impressed with you. Britain's Got Talent video. Thank you, Josh. Thank you for the roses, Monica. That's so sweet of you.
Justin.
I forgot the other one. Oh, Fat Cat, but that's not your name. What's your name? Am I supposed to just burp Fat Cat? We should go live one evening. Okay, Blondie. I will have to plan that out with you. I was also surprised that Bruno changed his mind. Bruno loved me.
Evan. Diego.
Diego or Diego? I think it was Diego. Shu blocked me? Shu blocked you. Oh my god. I'm surprised he hasn't let the dogs out yet. You know, where he just unblocks everyone and everyone comes back. That's always fun. Oh, I totally will. You should let... What? That one snuck out. I wasn't prepared at all. Do you think that you could win? Hell yeah, I'm gonna win that show, bro. I am that show. They're gonna be calling it Kimmy's Got Talent after this fucking season. Alright? My back hurts. Ow. Okay, Monica. Thank you for subscribing. I love you so much. I'll talk to you later. Burp love. Whew. Is anyone here from the UK? And are you excited to see the next episode tomorrow? I'm going to be watching it. And if it comes on Sunday too, I'll watch it. I'm going to watch it Sunday. I'm going to watch the whole season. Why wouldn't I watch the whole season? I met so many people and I just want to see, like, you know, just want to see who makes it through the first audition phase. Because you don't know, like, you just kind of do your thing and you go. You never know. But it was so much fun. It was so much fun. Anyway, I think I'm gonna bounce soon, and then, you know, totally coming back later. I'm feeling more people will be available tonight. When did I get the world record? Last year. It'll be a year this Sunday that I've had the record since I broke my record, since I broke the record. I got someone in a headlock. What's my next move? Noogie! Hell yeah, I got through, bro. Would you travel all over the UK? Yeah, why not? Ew. Thank you for the heart me. Yeah, I would travel all over that. Biznatch. The Noogie Queen. Is that ASMR? I better go see what my dogs are barking at.
Matthew.
I wonder. Oh, no. Make sure you guys are following me on YouTube. Make sure you're following me on YouTube, C-Man. Got to post another Noogie Talk? Yeah, I should. I can't go to, you know. We'll see. Thanks, Josh, for following me on Instagram. Yeah, I'm gonna head out too, Claire. I was just coming on here for a hot minute just to say hi. But I think tonight I will come back. And if not, don't be mad at me. Maybe I'll just make some TikToks or something. Yeah, your sister in a headlock. What's your next move? I will fucking just throw her ass to the ground, bro, and just do that thing where, like, the alligators, like, take their prey and they, like, do the flips. They just keep flipping over and over and over. I would do that with my sister after I had her in a headlock. Okay, chicken. Huh? What? Yeah, exactly. Same man. Alright, guys. You might see me later tonight. You might not. I don't know. But thanks for all the love and support. And I'll see you guys some other time. Bye, everybody.